In this video, we show you the new hybrid rendering feature in V-Ray for 3ds Max. This feature allows you to render using your computer's CPU and any available GPUs at the same time. That's right, no more having to decide what area of resources you want to use to render. Now, all the power of your machine can be used together to create your V-Ray renders. This is available in V-Ray RT from active shade mode or production rendering mode. Now, to better demonstrate the power of hybrid rendering, I'll kick off side-by-side tests. To the right is my hybrid setup, and on the left is a GPU-only render. I'll lower my render settings a bit to help keep this race from becoming an all-day marathon. I'll also elapse some time as the renders are calculating. I've included performance graphs from my system while I ran these render tests, so you can see more clearly what resources are being used by each of the setups. While they render, I'll mention a couple hybrid rendering use cases. As new graphics cards come to market, it makes it easier to boost the rendering capabilities of your workstation by adding additional GPUs or more video memory without having to replace the entire setup so often. Previous RAM limits on your GPU are less of a concern since CPU and system memory are also available as a fallback. Another great tool in this new hybrid rendering setup is being able to harness the power of render nodes that don't even have graphics cards on them to help with rendering tasks along with your workstations and GPU render clusters. With the select devices for V-Ray GPU rendering from the Start menu, Chaos Group, and then your version of V-Ray RT for 3ds Max, you can select your node's CPU and set it to process CUDA jobs. Not all features of V-Ray are available in V-Ray RT, so check the docs site to make sure that what you need in your scene is currently supported.